What's up, guys? What up?
Yes, brother. All right, we're here live in New York.
We in New York.
Brooklyn. This is how we do.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be spending a day with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We're in New York and I'm shooting with one of my sponsors. We had to be on set pretty early, so I set a 6 a.m. alarm. We have a full battery, and today we're rocking the Mag Easy case by Pataka. All right, guys, I am on set today. As you can see, 6:36 a.m. and we have 100% battery on the S24 Ultra. I'm gonna try to use it all day and get the battery life down as much as possible. So this is our setup that we're working with right now. I love this zoom, man. That zoom, and then the fact that you can zoom while recording is awesome. But yeah, a little behind the scenes. About to have breakfast and get styled and get ready for the shoot. We got to get one of these for our studio, guys.
Okay. Somebody else might get in mind that.
So as soon as the S24 Ultra released, I pre-ordered a titanium model with 512 gigabytes of storage. The phone came a day before my trip to New York, so I had just enough time to set it up and take it with me. One thing I will say about this device is that it's a great business phone. They added a ton of new AI features to this phone. I'll make a follow-up once I've had enough time to play around with all the new features.
What's up, dude? What are we doing today? What's going on?
We're on set with GoDaddy, and we're about to do an interview. Looking forward to it. I've been using this as a secondary phone for a while now, and it's been great. It's been great at capturing behind the scenes for me and sending out emails. As I've had more time with it, I've noticed that the only reason why I went with the Ultra is because of the S Pen. And I honestly don't use the S Pen as much as I thought I would. In hindsight, I would have just gotten the regular S24, and that would have probably been enough to handle everything that I wanted to do on it. I got to meet him last night at dinner. All right.
What's up, bro?
How you doing? We just did a photo shoot. Sneak peek.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's a wrap, guys. Great shoot. It's a pretty dope warehouse. A lot going on over here. After the shoot, I had time to explore Brooklyn. First stop was to get some Jamaican food. Display was looking bright in pretty much every situation that I used it in, whether it was looking at the map or recording video outside. I've noticed that the colors are pretty accurate to real life. As you can see here, like if I shot this on an iPhone, I feel like it would be a little bit more saturated and have these colors pop a little bit more. Can you go any lower than 225 on that? The ultra wide camera does a great job of picking up the whole scene, and then the optical stabilization just does a really good job of cleaning up any jitters. I did notice that when you zoom into 10 times, you can get a little bit of a jello effect. Photos also came out really nice. Here are a few that I took while I was uptown. So at the end of the day, I'm just trying to get as much as possible out of the battery that I can, playing some games, watching some YouTube videos, and consuming some content on social media. It's hard for anything not to look good on this 6.8-inch AMOLED screen. It's beautiful. At the end of the day, I still have 45% left. So we're getting pretty solid battery out of the S24 Ultra. I think we can easily get 2 days out of it if necessary. I'm curious to see how it would do in a more extreme situation, like I'm using the wireless power sharing and I'm recording a lot of content. We'll see what that looks like in another episode. The camera on this phone also did not disappoint. I got some great clips in this video, and then the photos actually came out really nice. I posted some on my Instagram. If you're not following me, go ahead and check me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.